watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Even though there's not much going on right now on Storm Track Live, we're always keeping a sharp eye here. We had some showers and weak thunderstorms push through earlier this morning. Our focus today, the big weather story, truly is the heat. But as long as we're here, I want to show you what's coming up here for Wednesday. This is the severe weather outlook for Wednesday. You can see a good chunk, if not all of West Michigan, included in the slight risk area, shaded in yellow. We've got a warm front lifting through, and I believe Wednesday afternoon and evening, we have a pretty decent shot at not just thunderstorms, but perhaps some severe weather, which we haven't had a whole lot of this season. So we've got that to look forward to, or not look forward to, depending on your take. Heat index, like I said, temperatures, this is by far and away the big weather story today. I want to walk you through heat index temperatures, so pick out your town and just watch the number. Flirting with 100 degrees most of the afternoon, a little cooler here on the lakeshore, and it's not until close to sunset before this heat index value starts to come down to reasonable, respectable, comfortable levels into the upper 80s here still at 9 p.m. But you can see much of the afternoon we spend with heat index values around or just over 100 for this zone that's away from Lake Michigan up to Grand Rapids and then through much of the interior part of the state. It's going to be a very hot day today. Right now, winds are out of the southwest. That's where all that really hot air is. In fact, we could see temperatures across parts of Iowa, Illinois, southern Wisconsin. Just air temperature alone, not even factoring heat index, well over 100 degrees. In fact, a few folks with 110 degrees here across the central plains. That's the direction from which our wind is coming. It's going to pipe that right in here to West Michigan. We won't see widespread temperatures over 100, but a lot of hot air blowing in. Dew point temperatures, upper 60s to mid 60s. This is a good measurement of moisture in the atmosphere. When you see dew point numbers in the mid 60s to upper 60s, that's where it's starting to get pretty sticky and uncomfortable. And 70 and higher is really sticky and uncomfortable. So you factor that in with 90-degree heat. That's why we have those heat index or feels like values up over 100 degrees. It's going to be warm this afternoon. Right now, temperatures up to 89 in Grand Rapids, 87 here in Kalamazoo, 87 in Big Rapids as well. Now, factor heat and humidity together, feels like 93 in Big Rapids and Mount Pleasant, 94 here in Grand Rapids, and 91 in Kalamazoo. So a lot of heat out there, and it doesn't look like it's going anywhere anytime soon. So big weather story today. Our headline, quite warm, heat index near 100 degrees. We're forecasting 99 in Grand Rapids, around 100 in Kalamazoo. Small chance of showers coming up here Tuesday, 30% chance of showers and storms. That's for along and south of I-94. Grand Rapids, Muskegon, Holland, Lansing northward should stay dry. And then our focus turns to Wednesday night and Thursday. We could see some strong storms possible here Wednesday afternoon and evening. That's that warm front I was telling you about lifting northward. And then overnight Wednesday, early Thursday, looks like we've got a good rainfall in the forecast, which we need. Not sure this is going to be a drought buster yet. It's probably going to be a series of rainfalls to really break the drought that we're in, but this is a good step in the right direction. And then as we head toward the weekend, we're talking about dry and cooler weather. Low 80s here for Friday, lingering showers, 82, 84 over the weekend. Looks like we've got dry weather in store, perhaps a chance of showers coming up here on Monday with a high in the mid 80s. So something to suit just about everybody's fancy here, guys. We've got the heat today. Good day to head to Lake Michigan. Just be careful with the rip current risk out there. And then the rain that we really need. Confidence is growing. Looks like we've got a good shot of a good downpour coming up with some storms Wednesday night, Thursday.
Well, see, Kyle, you just got here, but we've been here all day, so we get to leave, so we can go to the beach, and we like to do that. Yeah.
I may be taking an extended lunch today.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Thank you, Kyle.